Poland is the motherland of famous people from different areas: Nikolai Copernic, Frederick Chopin, Marie Curie, and others. Astronomy, music, science. Each of them was deeply passionate about their lifetime project, and their names will forever remain in the history and memory of people. Their life experience empowers us to think beyond and create something valuable. What inspires you?
I'm inspired by speed. Every morning I grab my bike and go to the office, so I come with full energy and ready to create.
My inspiration is to take a new challenge in my life.
I love challenges. I am always waiting for a new one.
What inspires me most is to make things happen, and especially things that other people say are impossible to achieve.